it's Moa. Today we're going to make some kimchi fried rice with the kimchi that we made last week. So you can check out the recipe somewhere up here. If it's not there, you guys just check out my last episode. Let's get going! Another very simple recipe and we need only a few ingredients, so let's go through them. So first we need some cooking oil, some soy sauce, some leftover cooked rice. You can use brown rice, and we need some kimchi, onion, some eggs, some spring onion and chili powder if you wanted to, and some sesame seeds for garnishing on top. The very first thing I'm going to do is to chop up the onion and the spring onions and the kimchi. The second thing I'm going to do is to fry the eggs that will go on top of our kimchi fried rice. This way you get to save yourself from using another pan. So let's fry them now. You can fry as many eggs as you want. Now it's time to make the kimchi fried rice. The first thing I'm going to do is to put a bit of oil in the pan on a medium heat. The first ingredient I'm going to put in there is the spring onion. I'm going to let this infuse. So when you can smell the aroma of the spring onions, it's time to put in the onion. You need to caramelize the onion. Again, it will take up 2 minutes. So when it starts to caramelize, you need to season it. So put a little bit of soy sauce. You need to let this soy sauce caramelize a little bit as well. You don't want to burn the soy sauce, but just caramelize so it will deepen the flavor of the soy sauce. Okay, so when you can see the soy sauce caramelizing and sticking to the onion, time to put kimchi. Put some chili powder. Put as much as you want or as little as you want. You can see that chili powder has given it more color. Here, just put the kimchi aside and put your rice. And then start mixing with the kimchi. I think the rice is quite well mixed with the kimchi mixture, so you can turn it back on the heat. When the heat is back on, you just want to fry everything together again. And make sure the rice is well heated up as well. So you basically want to caramelize everything. Okay, so while you're frying in the middle, you can see these bits that stuck in the pan. You want to make sure you scrape it all. So that's the best part, and use that crunchiness and the sweetness as well. And we're almost done here. So here I'm going to put in a little bit of sesame oil. The Koreans love sesame oil. The sesame oil will just give that very deep flavor. Then I'm going to put a bit of sesame seeds. Oh, it smells so good. How much would you like, Mr.
Thank you. Double it.
That's it!
Perfect.
I love fried food. Cheers! Isn't this glass so cute? Guess where we got it from? We bought these little chocolate mousse desserts from Costco, and then it actually comes in these glasses. It's only small. Perfect for tequila.
Little soju.
Let's eat. So you gotta cut up the... You guys have to try this recipe. It's so easy to make, and you know, you guys can play around with how much kimchi you want to put in and how much rice you want to put in, and you can put more vegetables as well.
Or even some meats.
It's a really good vegetarian option actually. But you can put even just like pork, beef mince.
Anything.
You can put bacon, you can put spam. I know a lot of people don't like spam, but
I love spam.
Koreans love spam.
What else can you put? Tuna? Goes so well with fried eggs. Egg yolk just...
This is the fresh kimchi that I made just then in the
episode.
last episode.
And it's so fresh. Very nice. 진짜 맛있다 근데.
맛있지? 맛있어?
진짜 맛있어. It's like the perfect size. 4 glasses. 375 in a bottle.
It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the egg yolk. Oh, it's so good.
Really good.
Oh my god, the egg yolk is so good. Actually, I haven't had kimchi fried rice for a long time.
Yeah. Perfect.
Oh my god.
진짜
It
맛있어.
actually turned out like
Yeah.
way better than I expected.
Yep.
Like kimchi fried rice is a very normal dish that we eat if we don't have anything to eat. Korean fridge, we always have rice and kimchi. So you just fry those and you'll get kimchi fried rice.
I think it could have been that soy sauce
Because we caramelize the soy sauce.
with lots of onion.
Yes. Because you know soy sauce has that sweetness, that natural sweetness. So if you caramelize it on the pan,
With
it
the
like
onion.
with the onion, because onion's sweet as well, and it's just like makes a perfect like
Yep.
caramelization.
진짜 맛있어.
And like each rice is like you can, right?
Yeah.
That's why you need to use cold rice from last night, or you know, just something that's cooled down completely. Otherwise it can get soggy.
There's nothing worse than the soggy fried.
Each rice grain needs to like travel through your mouth, and you need to be able to feel each grain of the rice. Like, you know, they need to like play around. Okay guys, so that was our kimchi fried rice recipe. It's a must-try recipe. Please enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next week. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Annyeong!